Hello creative friends, it's Eugenia from Art Temi Atelier, and today I had the thought to create something loose and kind of uh, mystical. um, I'm not gonna be following a reference photo. I'm gonna try to create some fall colors for trees, and maybe a little reflection, and we'll see how we go. We're gonna just play today without having anything really in mind. I might end up adding some lines with this uni pens with a file liner, but I'm not sure how it's gonna go. So it's going to be a really loose painting today. I'm keep on trying to clean up my palettes, so I'm gonna use only the paints that they're floating on my palettes, and I have maxed my paper, which is the Strathmore 500 series hot press. Could be using actually the cold press too, but doesn't matter. Maybe actually I will switch it to the cold press. Yeah, because I would like some texture, so I might change it. Yeah, I will be using this one, the cold press 500 series, the Strathmore 5x7. It's a good little size, and yeah, I'm gonna just I'll leave this one for another project. Let's use this one, and I'm gonna just flip it over. And yeah, I have prepared my my 2 jars of clean water. I have my I grabbed those 3 brushes. This is a dagger. I haven't used it much, and I want to see what Max is giving me. My favorite liner, and around size 8. So we'll if I need to cover a bigger area. But I think, yeah, the small brush would be fine for this project. So this is my let's mask this on our board. I normally prefer to reuse my masking because it doesn't stick hard, and it doesn't tear my papers at the end. But if you need to some stage to use brand new masking, then make sure that you stick it on your clothes first, and we'll take away the dagginess. So they will probably get some dust from your clothes, and that will prevent from sticking too hard on your paper, and it won't clear it. So clean jars of water, clean paper towels. All my little palettes here, they are already sprayed, and let's start slowly. And that's about it for now. We'll let it rest, dry up, and we'll be back shortly. So there we are now. It is all dried up, and we'll continue with some more details. So I'm gonna start putting some darker areas on the foliage. So we try to keep at least 3 tones on each tree. We'll keep the mid-tone, we'll keep some light areas, and then we'll put some dark. So the shapes we are doing it, they are pretty irregular, and this liner is perfect for doing these details. And I'm actually pretty satisfied with this outcome. I am going to put my little initials here. I'll make sure that they're all in the water. And that's it. I will call it done. So there we are. We have our little abstract landscape. And autumn with autumn colors. Yeah, I'm pretty happy with it. It was fast and very relaxing to make. Hope you guys enjoyed it too. If you enjoyed it, don't forget to thumbs up. And if you haven't subscribed, please consider to do so. It's yeah, we're gonna be doing lots of different themes and lots of different kind of paintings and materials we're gonna be using. I know mainly it is watercolors, but definitely pastels, color pencils. They will be always into our radar. And yeah, so for future videos, don't forget to subscribe and click the notification bell. That's very important because you will get notifications every time we upload a video. And the most important, you can see if you're interested in the medium or the theme, you can come and watch it. If you're not interested, the notification is telling you what it is, and then you can choose. don't have to come and wait for the next video. Thank you so much, and hopefully we'll see you soon at my next video. Till then, be happy, be creative, and keep painting. Bye for now.